A closer look at mental health and why the Johnson County Sheriff wants to triple the level of services for inmates. Sheriff Doug Cox calls mental health his #1 problem. RTV6's Jack Reinhardt went to the Johnson County Jail for a first-hand look at the issues there.
The inmate population here at the Johnson County Jail stands today at 289 prisoners. The sheriff says that as many as 50%, if not 60%, meet the clinical definition of mentally ill. The Johnson County Jail has a small infirmary. It provides psychological and psychiatric services to inmates on a limited basis, just 12 hours per week. The sheriff says the need for mental health services is so acute that he wants to increase that time to 40 hours per week.
It's happened on multiple occasions where we have inmates that come into the jail and are creating art out of their own feces. So when you see that happening, you know that you have problems that need to be addressed.
Mental illness creates other problems for the inmate, for other inmates, and for jail staff. Some individuals require one-on-one supervision around the clock.
That's the last thing we want to happen, is to have somebody pass away in the jail if it's self-inflicted or a medical issue.
The demand for mental health services far outstrips the ability of health care providers to deliver them. For people with issues and addictions, cures don't come easily.
There's virtually nowhere for help. I've spent over $300,000 of our savings to get her help, and none of them have done any good at all.
People in jail suffer a wide range of mental issues that, if left untreated or undiagnosed, create even larger problems.
It can create, at times, things can get hostile and be harmful if it's not treated.
Whether treated or not, most people with mental health issues get released from jail at some point in time. In Johnson County, Jack Reinhardt, RTV6.
And Sheriff Doug Cox tells RTV6 that he will ask the Johnson County Council on Monday night for the necessary funds to expand mental health services.
Some potentially damaging